Guys, and welcome back to the GRE catcher. We're still in the algebra chapter, and this chapter is saying in this question 12, it's saying a group of 5,000 investors responded to a survey asking whether they owned stocks and whether they owned bonds. Okay, fine. One of the group, 20% responded they owned only one of the two types of investments. And it's very important to know what he will be asking you after that. If he will be asking you how many of the investors are having both, or how many investors is having one of them. Because if he is asking you in general how many investors are having one of them, so that's directly the 20%. Or if he wants to know how many of the investors are owning both of them, they are the 80%, of course. Okay, so we are here using the 20%, because if you continue reading, if R is the number of investors in the group who own the stocks but not bonds, which of the following represents the number of investors in the group who own bond but not stocks in the term of R? So we will solve this in term of R algebraically, but you will need to know that how many of the investors are owning only one of them, one of the two things. So you have here 20%, okay, and I will type 20% as 20 over 100 to make it easier on me. Okay, so it's 20 over 100, and all of this is multiplied by 5,000. Okay, that's it. So how many people are these? So this 0 will go with this 0, so you have here and this 0 will go with this 0, so it's 2 times 50, so it will be 100, I think, 1,000, I think. I just need to calculate it on a paper because I don't have out of this time 5,000. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Now I need to get the portion of the 1,000. I will also type it in the form of x of the R. Sorry. So you have here 1,000 people, and of this 1,000 people, you have all of them. I don't know how many exact number of them are owning only stocks. Okay. And I want to know how many of and of course the total value, the 1,000 represents the total value of the people who are having only one of the two things, either it's stocks or bonds. So to get the value of only people who you got the number of the people who are having only stocks, okay, and that's all. So I need to subtract the 1,000 from the R, and that's the algebraic representation of the problem. So if you do this, you will get your answer to be equal to B, because that's the correct answer. So your answer here will be B. Okay, and that's it for this question. Okay, thank you very much.